If, for example, this is our scapula, right? You can see here, this is our scapula, left scapula. So this artery gives a branch like this, right? It comes down and separates, and this artery is called the subscapular artery, and it gives a branch like this, and this branch moves back. That's why we call it, circumflex scapular artery. And another branch comes like this, and this is called the thoracodorsal artery. Very good. The next branch from this third part of this artery, that is, look carefully, this one. This one is coming from this third part, and it is making a circumflex anteriorly, right? If I'm standing like this, so from here an artery arises, right? From the third part of this axillary artery, an artery arises, and it comes anteriorly and making a circumflex around the head of the humerus bone, right? That's why we call it anterior humeral circumflex artery. Anterior humeral circumflex artery. So the second artery which arises from that part, that is, okay, let me write it here, anterior humeral means humerus, circumflex means it makes a circumflex there, artery, right? Anterior humeral circumflex artery. This one is anterior, and this one comes posteriorly, right? That's why we call it posterior humeral circumflex artery. So the third one is the posterior humeral circumflex artery, right? Okay friends, let us label all of these arteries. Okay, this one is our pectoral artery. Pectoral artery, right? And this one is going to clavicle, that's why we call it clavicular artery, right friends? Very good. And this third one is going towards the acromion process, that's why we say that this is our acromion artery, acromial artery, right? And this one is going towards the deltoid muscle, that's why we call it deltoid artery. Okay, these four branches are the branches of the thoracoacromial artery. Now moving forward, this one, which is the second branch of this second part of this auxiliary artery, and this branch is coming down like this, and this is called the lateral thoracic artery. So this is our lateral thoracic artery. Clear? Okay, this was about the branches of the second part. Now the branches of the third part, right? This artery which arises from this third part, this is the, we say that this is subscapular artery. This is subscapular artery, and this subscapular artery, as you know, are two branches, the circumflex scapular and the thoracodorsal artery, right? So this is our thoracodorsal artery. Thoracodorsal artery, and this is our circumflex scapular artery. Okay friends, now look, this is our anterior circumflex, anterior humeral circumflex, right, artery, and this one is our posterior humeral circumflex artery, and it comes from posterior side like this, right? So this is posterior circumflex, and from here anterior circumflex artery. So my dear friends, these were the branches of the auxiliary artery, and if we are moving forward, we will make this auxiliary artery brachial artery, and then moving forward towards the last parts of the upper limb. So dear friends, this was about the auxiliary artery and its branches. I hope you make some sense of this lecture, and if this was helpful for you, please subscribe our channel share the videos with your friends, and pray for us that God give us help to provide you lectures like this. Thank you so much.